boys, this is what we're working with here. A little bent, so I just bought this piece, the end piece, in this color. If you buy the black one, it's gonna be like $100 and some bucks more. So I just bought this color, and then I'm just gonna spray paint it with this stuff, just in case you want to save some more money. And then I got the rivets and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna paint this, take that bumper off because it's junk. Paint this, take that bumper off, take that off, take the light off, and yeah, we'll let this dry, do a few coats on it, put it on the ground, paint it with that. Bought this stuff. Hopefully it sticks. This is aluminum, so yeah. Take that off. Take the bumper off, take the light off, take that snow flap off, or whatever that is. I don't know. And yeah, so we'll get the time lapse going. Okay boys, I got all the screws out from this side. I'm gonna do that side because it's getting long now, so I'm gonna do that. So I got the bumper off. I don't know if you can see that, but on the ground. It's pretty bent right here. And this, that looks normal, kinda, I guess. Somewhat. Not really. Anyways, drill that out. And then put that one, do another coat or whatever. Hopefully it's dry soon, but... So I ordered a backwoods bumper because these bumpers are junk. Again, don't do anything, so... Take this off, take this off, take this off. Alrighty boys, so I keep breaking bits, so I gotta go buy more because I broke all my dad's. So I'm gonna go buy some more bits and then get back at it. Okay, so I got these, so hopefully these work. They're actually metal bits, so they should cut a lot nicer. So yeah, we'll get to it again. Okay, so I'll turn this thing on. So we got this off. It's freaking stupid. I just gotta repaint that because I friggin' messed up all the paint there. And then we'll put that one on. Wait for the bumper to come in because I ordered it 2 days ago. So it's supposed to be here soon, so hopefully we get that, put that on, boom, done. Okay, so it's the next day. I'm ready to put this in. This stuff's all dry, so I'm gonna have to put the light through that little hole. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but figure it out. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the paint to dry. Repainted that, painted that again. This goes in the collection of Polaris parts here, right here for my sled. Got quite the collection. yeah, we're gonna wait for the paint to dry and then rivet it on. I bought a freaking Milwaukee rivet gun, so hopefully hopefully it freaking works pretty good. We'll see. I'm gonna test it out. Should work better than the hand one. I saw Muskoka Freerider using it on his, so we'll see how it goes. This thing works so nice. I love this thing. Watch this. Done. Just like that. Oh, now I just gotta put the rest of the rivets in and then we're good. Wow. Alrighty, so I riveted all those on. Now I just need to go get more rivets because they didn't give me the right amount of rivets. So I need to go get one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more. I'll just get 10 just in case. So yeah, we're gonna go to Mid-City and get some rivets. Alright boys, so I got the new tunnel piece on. I painted it. Now I just need to wait for the bumper. I'm gonna put that on tomorrow. It's supposed to come in tomorrow. So brakes again, I'm just gonna take this piece off and just put the light somehow there and just weld it or something. I don't know, we'll see how it does. I put a few extra rivets just in case, so maybe it won't bend as easy. I don't know, probably won't, but yeah, definitely tell that I did it, that's for sure. But oh well, paint's still wet. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys when I get the bumper and we'll put that on. I might just make this a separate video and then put the bumper as a different video, because Polaris back bumpers junk, don't do anything. So I'd rather just buy something more heavy duty and hopefully I don't bend the whole tunnel next time. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna make this a video. This video probably will be pretty long, so yeah, you know what, screw it. I'll make this a video and then the bumper install another video, because that'll be like a 5-minute video. This will probably be 10 minutes. I'll edit the clips so it's not as long. And yeah, this Milwaukee rivet gun is amazing, man. So much better than putting rivets in by hand or with the hand one or whatever. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you guys out. And yeah, if you bend your tunnel on a short tunnel or whatever and the end piece breaks off, you know how to fix it. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and see you guys in the next video.